Are you aware that Gmail has introduced a new feature that makes it easier for you to cancel your subscriptions? Let me show you how. Head over to your Chrome browser and navigate your mouse to Google Apps. Over here, you go ahead and select Gmail. Inside your Gmail account, navigate your mouse to More and click on Manage Subscriptions. This is where you get to see a list of all your subscriptions. You have the service, the email address, and then the number of emails that is been sent to you on regular basis. And then you have the option to unsubscribe from a particular service. Now that you have this, if you want to unsubscribe from a particular service, all you have to do is look for the particular service that you want to unsubscribe from, and then you navigate your mouse to unsubscribe. You click on it, and then you select unsubscribe. When you unsubscribe from a particular service, you stop getting messages from them. So if I should click on unsubscribe, I would not get messages from this particular service that I have unsubscribed from. If you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment and I would respond to them.